Hey everyone, it's your man GS002 coming back at you with another unboxing. Today we're doing the Bandai Spirits Dx Chogokin 1/48 scale VF-1J Valkyrie. I purchased this from Nin Game. Normally I buy all my models from AmiAmi. However, AmiAmi just did not have this in stock. And there was actually a little bit of drama associated with that too. I ordered the figure from this site called jpfigures.com. Do not buy from them. They are a scam site. Those idiots, they take PayPal. So I ended up filing a PayPal claim and getting my money back. But it was kind of weird because they had plenty of stock of the figure and it was actually on sale too. So whenever you see a figure like that that's on sale and the site claims to have a bunch of stock, you know, that definitely should raise some alarm bells. Anyway, this is going to be 4K 60, so this will probably be multiple parts. This is definitely part one of how many ever there is. So here we go. VF1J Valkyrie. Oh, sorry about that, guys. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here, get all this plastic wrap off, and we'll do the actual unboxing. Be right back. All right, everyone, so the plastic wrap is off. I just want to let you guys see the box. So we've got this this plastic band around here. Looks like I have the premium display stand as well as the figure inside. Bandai released like an official unboxing, but you know, I wanted to put my stupid American spin on it, so let me see if I can slide this guy off. I need to slide that band right off of there. Alright, there we go. I'll save that. Alright, so sorry about the jostling around, guys. Alright, so yeah, so there's the back of the slip cover. That's pretty much it. Alright, so this, like I said, is that premium display stand. And then this, oh, very nice, is the figure itself. So I'm running a little low on time, so let me go ahead and get this untaped and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so a little change of plans. So rather than spoil the good stuff first, let's go ahead and open up this display stand. I know you guys are gonna dislike it. So we gotta open up the good stuff last. So anyway, whoops, sorry about that. All right, so yeah, here's the display stand. We got the arm, the holder, and the base itself. Now I went ahead and just cut the tape here on one end of the box. So let's go ahead and slide this bad boy out. Oh dear. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. So you got the fighter here. You got a bunch of fixed pose hands. You got the gun. I don't know what those guys are back there. I have to read the instructions. And then we have the base here. So a couple of different holders, I guess, for the different modes. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this out of the clamshell and we'll review the fighter. Hang on a second. Okay guys, so here's the clamshell removed. Wow, that's the strap for the gun. Wow, that feels weird. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we got the pilot figure here. Like I said, the fixed pose hands. Here's the fighter. Got some decent weight to it. I mean, this thing's amazing. This thing's amazing. It's crazy how, you know, the VF1J, even though this is 1/48 scale, it's not much larger than a 1/60th Dx Chogokin. Anyway, I'm running out of space, guys, so I'll be back with part two. Peace.